I typed one sentence into this AI and it created a full
都
movie.
市部で大規模な災害が発生しました。住民の皆さんは住むだけに安全な場所へ避難してください。
ママ、急いで早く行くよ。はいかな。
おはようございます、ご主人様。
車の状態は？
すべて正常です。
Not just random clips, a full story, characters, scenes, everything. And the crazy part, I did not edit anything. So I wanted to test something. What actually happens if you give AI just one idea and let it handle the entire filmmaking process? No scriptwriting, no editing, nothing. And honestly, I did not expect it to work this well. This tool is called Zopia, and this is not like most AI video tools. Most of them just generate clips. You type something, you get a clip, that is it. But Zopia is a full AI production system built around a director agent. You give it one idea and it runs the entire pipeline automatically. Story development, character design, storyboard, shot generation, editing, audio sync, and final film. It runs on top models like Kling O3 and the brand new Seedance 2.0, which is a massive upgrade in quality and realism. It is basically like having a full film crew inside your browser. Before we start, head to the link in the description. That is Zopia.ai. Sign up with your Google account and you will get free credits straight away. Quick tip, log in every single day to collect an extra 50 free credits. They add up fast. All right, let us test this properly. I'm going to create a full short film live using just one sentence. Click New Project and you land on the canvas. This is your full production workspace and everything happens right here. I'm typing just one sentence into the prompt box. A lonely astronaut finds a mysterious signal on a dead planet. That's it, one line. I select Seedance 2.0 as my video model for maximum quality and hit create. Now I set up the production pipeline. I choose 16:9 for my aspect ratio and set my video and image quality. Then I configure my generation workflow. You've got keyframe image to video, video reference, and element to video options. I pick Nano Banana Pro for both my storyboard and scene image models. For the visual style, I'm going realistic, but you can also pick Japanese anime, Pixar 3D, American 2D, and more. I hit confirm and watch the magic start happening. Zopia automatically generates a full script outline and scene concept art right here on the canvas. Then it asks your feedback in the chat. You can approve it, tweak it, or change direction completely. You're in full control at every stage. I review everything in the script panel, and Zopia gives me 3 options for how to proceed. Since I want the full automated experience, I go with option 1 and let it run. It then extracts all the characters and locations from the story automatically. Now I can see all the required scenes are ready. I click Create Reference Image for each character and watch Zopia generate them. In my story, there is one main character plus the required location scenes, and it nailed both. This is where you really see how generative this system is. And if you're not happy with any image, just hit the redo button and it generates a fresh one instantly. That's exactly what I did here, and honestly, the second result was much better. You can also download any image for future use across other projects. Once the characters are set, open the voice section and pick the best voice for your character. So instead of starting from scratch, it gives you everything and you just refine it. Once I confirm, Zopia generates the full storyboard automatically. Every single panel has a scene description, shot type, and a visual preview. You can edit any panel, camera angles, character actions, scene details, whatever you need. I'm happy with what it produced, so I click continue. Notice how everything stays perfectly organized in sequence. There is no confusion about what is happening where. Zopia creates a grid image for every line of the story, and this is what makes the final video generation so smooth. Now for the best part. I click Always Allow for fast processing, and all segments start generating at the same time. First segment, cinematic, consistent, clean.
Come on, just one bar, one signal. Anything.
Second segment, same character, same world, same quality.
No way.
Zero manual effort on my side. That is genuinely insane. I download all my scenes at once using batch download. This came from one sentence. No timeline editing, no manual scene building. That's actually insane. And at this point, I still haven't edited anything. For the edit, I choose option 3, which is editing suggestions for the full episode. Zopia breaks down exactly how to cut the footage for the best pacing with every detail laid out for you. I click the timeline tab and see all the scenes combined into one complete film. I preview it, hit render, and it downloads automatically. So you've basically gone from idea to a complete film. And if you want to continue into a second episode, just click the episode tab and keep building from there. And it doesn't stop there. You can manage an entire series inside one single workspace. No switching between projects, no losing track of your story. Whether you're doing a daily short drama, a long-form series, or an ongoing ad campaign, everything stays in one place. So one idea can turn into a full series. Now here's something I didn't expect. You can also use this to create ads. Zopia has a dedicated digital human ad mode, and I had to try it. I click the digital human ad tab and it immediately gives me a prompt template. All I do is type my product. I went with laptop. I hit create, pick realistic 3D CG for my visual style, and follow the exact same workflow we just went through. And the result is a polished, professional AI ad for a product with zero filming, zero actors, and zero editing from me. And honestly, the credit cost surprised me too. The generation does not eat through your credits fast at all. You get serious output for very little spend. They also added something called OpenClaw, which lets you bring AI agents directly into your Zopia workflow. Switch to AI agent mode and Zopia runs her production automatically 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. So your content can literally be created while you're asleep. That's not a future promise. That's available right now. And one of the biggest problems with AI video has always been character inconsistency. Zopia tackles this head on, maintaining strong character consistency across long-form content. Same face, same outfit, same energy throughout your entire film, so your story stays consistent from start to finish. Whether you're a content creator, a small business owner, a filmmaker, or just someone with stories you've always wanted to tell, Zopia fits. Short dramas, e-commerce ads, music videos, game cinematics, short films, brand content, the range is enormous. And the scale this unlocks for a solo creator is crazy. One person can now manage multiple channels, test different genres, and produce content at a speed that used to require an entire team. What took weeks now takes 10 minutes. So honestly, this does not feel like a normal AI tool. It feels like a full production system. One idea, one person, a complete video. If you want to try it, I've left the link in the description. And I'm curious, what would you create with this? If you enjoyed this, don't forget to like and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next one.
This is Serb Varied Pilot Elias Voss of the Orpheus. Identify yourself.
Elias. Elias.
Who said that?
Elias. You came back.
I've never been here. That's impossible.
Open the door.
Who are you?
You left me here.